Activities within the scope of the project, starting from the checking of chimneys and ventilation system up until the design works, gasification and installation of heaters, are financed by the fund, parallel to the co-financing made by the poor household. The amount of co-financing makes 15,000 Armenian drams if both gas pipe and heater are being installed. Otherwise, 7,500 Armenian drams will be paid if either of those two options are being chosen. As of the end of 2007, it is expected that more than 2,000 poor households will be connected to the gas system and have an access to safe and secure heating, which not only improves the living conditions of such households, but also is considered beneficial for other inhabitants of the entire residential building, because a lot of security-related problems are tackled. People at Fund admit that it's a psychologically tough job to carry out the activities under the project, because at times some socially vulnerable people are referring to the Fund for support, but because of the eligibility criteria, their enrollment turns out to be impossible. Hence, in future, as a result of some adjustments, it will become possible to reduce the required 38 scores and thereby enroll more vulnerable households in the given component of the project. It should be noted that from the very beginning, Year 1 was viewed as a secondary priority under this project component. As it was in the case of the school heating component, likewise here, the work was planned to initially start and be accomplished in small cities, and thereafter the poor households of the multi-apartment residential buildings in the capital city will be dealt with. Nevertheless, having envisioned the timeline required for the public awareness campaign in terms of preparation of the required document package, in July 2007 the issue was placed on the agenda of the Fund's Board of Trustees meeting, and jointly with the World Bank it was decided to simultaneously start the project in Yerevan as well. Thus, starting from August, the needy households residing in Yerevan were also enrolled in the project. Moreover, the respective works have already commenced for some of the households.
17,000 ընտանիքներ դա մեր թիրախն է, որ մենք
Our target is to eventually enroll 17,000 households. Hopefully, this number may increase as a result of tendering processes, and in case of successful implementation, we will probably attract more financing and engage donors so that we can continue this initiative. However, I must state that the dynamic of our work indicates that we will finish the project ahead of the planned schedule. The project is planned to be closed in 2010, but I think we will finish earlier and then attempt to engage in more projects, not only for the poor households in urban multi-apartment buildings, but also for those residing in rural locations and private houses. Why not?
այլ նաև գյուղական եւ ինչու՞ չէ նաև առանձնատներում բնակվող անապահովների համար։
Let us now cover the third component of the urban heating project, which comes to add to the first two. This one is named the lending component and is the last one in the project, which clearly denotes that the project initiators did not ignore the heating problem of mid-level income group. The mere fact that the assistance need was there gives no way to doubt. Private institutions, mostly the banks, which are considered as a main source for funding of secure and comfortable heating systems, according to the various researches conducted by the fund at the project feasibility stage, even with high interest rates, were reluctant to finance any kind of heating project, whether it was an individual heater or a large heating system, because of the high-risk profile of the sector and in view of no guarantees for repayment. Having envisioned this reality, respective revolving fund was created under the project, which was allocated to the banks for subsequent extension to the interested parties, and the repaid funds will be channeled for the same purpose. Since the term of crediting offered by the state to the banks was 7 years, this has stimulated the banks to engage their resources in the implementation of the project. Moreover, this exercise also had an impact on the growth of the sector crediting portfolio of other banks, which were not engaged in the project. In fact, under this component, people and the private investors are provided with an opportunity to obtain a loan from the bank for further investments in the various heating technologies. At present, those are mostly individual heating solutions, which are mainly covered by AKBA Credit Agricole Bank.
Պահանջարկը այս գումարների նկատմամբ բավականին շատ։
The demand for such funds is rather big. This should be attached a major importance, since the availability of only 4.2 million Armenian drams budget under this project, you proceed with financing through the revolving fund for several times, which will eventually lead to bigger volumes and respectively to the multi-time increase of the beneficiaries' number. We also consider it important that the same Agba Credit Agricole Bank has increased the volume of financing from its own funds to the extent that the level of co-financing has now reached 50-50.
Գրեթե 50-50 համաֆինանսավորման։
Indeed. If we touch the topic related to the effective disposal of credit funds which the government has made available to the banks, we will record that Agba Credit Agricole Bank is the leader in financing of the individual heating project, which has succeeded in providing credits to 3,000 households within the past year and a half.
Վարկեր կարող ենք տրամադրել մինչև 3 տարի ժամանակով։
The credits are being provided with a term of up to 3 years, and it's up to the customer to choose whether to go for 3 years repayment or a shorter period if preferable.
Վերաբերվում է
So the instrument is flexible and convenient in terms of duration. What relates to the interest rates, we have developed some projects and tools which we also offer together with our suppliers, which eventually lead to significant reduction of rates up to 17%, or in case of some suppliers, the reduction even totals up to 13%.
որով ստացվում է որ բավական
In case of early repayment, the customer does not pay any interest rate for purchase and installment of the heaters.
մատակարարների հետ մինչ
Here I would like to underscore another specificity. We have taken the initiative for offering this lending instrument outside of Yerevan as well.
որևէ տոկոսադրում
Furthermore, the lending is offered not only to the households of multi-apartment residential buildings, but also channeled for the heating of private houses and small agricultural economies.
առանձնատների սեփական
20% of our credit portfolio is allocated outside of Yerevan.
տնտեսությունների բնակարանների
It's another issue when our suppliers do not have shops in all regional locations.
ոչ բոլոր
But I believe they are undertaking some steps to ensure their presence in those regions as well.
որպեսզի իրենց ներկայությունը ապահովեն այդ մարզերում։
Արկա արդյունքները թույլ են տալիս իսկապես փաստել
The available data evidence that the project is indeed running successfully. That is the reason for the World Bank to commence similar projects in other countries of the region, based on the positive output. There is another important reality here. Further to the agreement recently obtained with the Armenian government, the heat supply systems of 10 special schools will be rehabilitated within the scope of the project. Those include boarding schools and orphanages.
շերոտիվ դպրոցները եւ մանկատները
Beyond all doubt, for Armenia, that has recently overcome economic and energy crisis, the achieved results are more than impressive. However, to state that after the completion of the project our country would have addressed all its heating-related issues will be more than unrealistic. The mere fact that presently 406 rural schools are in lack of secure heating, the solution of which will ensure adequate education and working conditions for over 92,000 students and their teachers, is already an explicit example.
ծրագրի գումարները խիստ սահմանափակ էին
The project funds are extremely limited. Essentially, this has been a pilot project, and the allocated funding was tiny and limited. However, on the background of the positive experience, we hope to be able to continue our collaboration in the sphere. Of course, if the Armenian government may consider this exercise to be of priority and significance, in order to cover the rural areas as well as social facilities such as hospitals, kindergartens, etc.
մանկապարտեզներ եւ այլն
Why not? Especially when we iterate that the urban heating project is a success story, despite of its being the first prototype project within the region, and with its specific approaches, even innovative for the World Bank itself. This is in case when the project did not stipulate for clear solutions and, in fact, only had security and affordability criteria in place, leaving, to a certain extent, the decision to be taken by the market, individual and the private sector. Definitely, the actively expanding gas supply network in the country played a valuable role in this matter. If since a long time the Armenian government hadn't underlined the strategic importance of such network, also in terms of rapid eradication of poverty within the country, then every effort would have led to a failure. Probably this kind of behavior has been the main reason for the World Bank to once again demonstrate its confidence towards the Armenian government. And basically, the government has proven its reliability to the World Bank. Anyway, once again we must state that the pledge of success in any matter is generally underlying in genuine commitment and unbiased trust in the truthfulness of what you are doing. To this end, it leaves no room for doubts that the main goal of the Armenian government, the fund, and the World Bank is to attempt to bring heat and create warm environment in the homes of the people ahead of the winter season. To this end, it leaves no room for doubts that the main goal of the Armenian government, the fund, and the World Bank is to attempt to bring heat and create warm environment in the homes of the people ahead of the winter season, despite of the faced overload. This film is prepared by the Order of Armenia Renewable Resources and Energy Efficiency Fund in the framework of Urban Heating Project.